Hi guys, welcome to my presentation for the Lepton Agents Hackathon. So today I built keryx on Testnet network, an answer engine that pays its sources. So first of all, there are three payment methods for the citations. There is escrowed, there is x42, and there is directly. So in keryx, you can ask a question, what the agent decide in real time, which sources are actually worth paying for, is spending real budget, and explain itself when it passes on something pricier. The citation just settled on chain, held in escrow. The agent pays the writer using an escrow payment, and payment is held until the author claims the fund to his wallet. The x42 pays the writer the instant their work is read, not after the answer is finished. That's circle gateway settling in real time. So once you sign the approval, you enter the herald. So we can see two authors have been cited, their works have been cited, so they will get their payment instantly using x42 payments. So for direct mode, it's just basically the same thing, but this time a direct payment to the author. So direct mode skips the contract entirely. We'll get back to that. Readers can also pay for a particular source manually. Anytime, whether the agent cited it or not, you can pay directly from one of the sources on our page based on readers, based on users that have registered their work. They can also sell, and sell opens the same door for anyone who wants to list their own work. So in registering a work, you can register for yourself alone, or you can split it between two authors, and there's a percentage splitting given. So when you sign and register, when that work is being purchased or bought in the open market, payments goes to the two authors at their different percentage. So now I register a work, and a complete stranger with a different wallet can find it and pay for it, and it will come back to me as the real author. So using another wallet, I want to buy one of the cited works as a complete stranger. I'll use the direct mode to enter the herald, and the work will be cited directly and payment made directly to the author. His work was cited. So once our transaction is signed and we enter into the herald, we'll see the works being cited and payment done directly. Go to the Explorer tab and we'll see the new work that was created, so we can try to buy it. When I try to buy that work created, you can see it says payment goes to two authors. So this time, two authors, a real revenue split enforced on chain, set once at the registration, one buyer, one click, and the payment splits automatically correctly to both authors in the same transaction. You can also withdraw our payments, and when the writer is ready, you can pull their earnings out themselves whenever they choose their money, their call. These are payments for works to authors which their work has been cited, either from the escrow or the direct payment method, any of which they can choose to withdraw their money once signed in with their wallet. You can see all our transaction details on the Explorer based on all our settled transactions. Then the README is also there, where all details, the architecture, the flow, and the keryx splits contract setup is also shown. So keryx is built on ARC, paid by the citation. Everything you just watched happen is sitting right here. No login, no trust required. Anyone can check this themselves. So ask a question, the agent decides which sources are worth reading. So do go through and give your honest review. Thank you.